In this section of this video, we will learn the essential, very important shortcuts you must know before using the Excel. And by then, you can definitely increase your efficiency and also you can treat yourself as a confident, decent Excel user. The first one is Control plus the arrow keys, the navigation arrow keys, which we have already mentioned in the previous part of our video, which helps to navigate in our Excel workbook. But suppose you are working on a very large data set. You have either one option, like you can use like this, or you can go below like this. But this is not the best way. The best way is you press the Control key and then press the downward arrow once. It has taken you towards the bottom of your data set. And again, by pressing Control key and then up, it has taken you towards the top. Same goes with the left, with the right. This will definitely increase your efficiency. And with my experience, I am saying that this is a must-have shortcut before using Excel in your practical daily life. Along with that, so now I have pressed first Control, then Shift, and when I'm using my arrow keys, it has selected the complete column. And when I select again the right arrow, it has selected the entire data set. Now you have selected the entire data set, you can do anything. Like I want to create a borders in this data set. I'll go to my border function here and then select this, and it has given border to all the data set. Or you can simply select by Control Shift then downward arrow. You can make it bold like this, you can make it italic, or you can underline it. You can either fill it the color, or you also can change the text color. So this is the functionality of using Control with Shift and with your navigation arrows. If you have done anything by mistake and you want to undo it मतलब आपको उसके लास्ट स्टेप पे जाना है, मतलब जो आपने भी करा है जो गलत हो उसको रिवर्स करना है. So there is one more shortcut which is Control plus Z. This we call it undo. तो जितनी बार आप Ctrl Z प्रेस करते रहोगे उतनी बार undo होता चला जाएगा, आप जैसे मेरी स्क्रीन पर देख रहे होंगे. ठीक है. And the reverse of it is redo, which is Control plus Y like this. Okay, great. You have learned a lot, but there is more to go. Let me undo it again. Till here we were. Okay. And there is one more must know shortcut is Ctrl plus D. It's another shortcut to must know. This shortcut copies the value from the cell above to the selected cell. Meaning, like we are in A2 right now. And if I press Ctrl D, it brought down the same value from the above cell. Okay? And suppose I have to make this value or this format to the entire data set. What I will do? I'll do Control Shift downward arrow. It has selected all my data set, and I'll press Ctrl D. See, it has brought down this value to the entire column. Okay, but again, this is something which I just want to explain you this formula. So what I'll do undo, Ctrl Z like this. Okay, and yaqeen mano, this is very helpful when you will be preparing your formula in one cell and you want to drag that formula till the end of your data set. This shortcut is the must know shortcut. This will be very helpful at that time. I'll show the necessity of this in the later section of advanced formula of this video. Now you can rate yourself at least 3, and you know as much as the average Excel user knows.